First, we are going to show how to vacuum seal powdered goods such as flour in a chamber pouch. Place the pouch with the middle tab inside the pouch. Set the vacuum time to 50 seconds. Close and apply pressure to the lid until the vacuum engages. Next, we're going to vacuum seal using a pint-sized mason jar. Due to the size of the jar, add the filler plate to occupy space. Put the metal ring on loosely before placing the jar sideways in the chamber. Set the vacuum time to 20 seconds. Close and apply pressure to the lid and press auto vacuum seal. Now onto the accessory hose adapter. Remove the seal bar and the vacuum port plug, then insert the adapter. Leave at least 2 inches of headspace to prevent the product from being sucked into the accessory hose. We recommend placing a cupcake liner to act as a barrier when using mason jars. Press the auto vac and seal button and let it count down for 5 seconds before pressing cancel. When complete, remove the accessory and fasten the metal ring on the jar. For canisters, leave at least 3 inches of headspace above the contents. Turn the dial to seal and repeat the same steps to vacuum seal. If you see any powder going into the accessory hose, immediately abort the cycle. Failure to do so can result in severe damage to your sealer.